Okay then guys, so again we're here again with some more maths and we're still looking at place value, but this time we're going to be using our place value to add different multiples of 10. So that means partitioning the number still and then adding to that number to make the number bigger, because when we add, the number increases. Okay, so we've still got our word wall, and our word wall hasn't changed. Our main vocabulary for our place value is our ones, our tens, partition, which we know from yesterday's lesson to be splitting a number into its value, which is over here. 2-digit, we know that's the numbers that we've been working with. Less than and greater than, we know through our symbols. Equal can mean the same, or it can be the answer to a calculation. And whole part model, again, that is what we looked at yesterday with our 3 bubbles. So, a quick recap of yesterday. We know that we can make the number 81 and we can partition it because we can partition it using our tens and our ones. Now, if I was to do this using the base 10, I would get 10. I would get how many tens I need, which is 8. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But remember, it's not 8, it is 80, because 8 lots of 10 is 80. Now, how many ones do I need? I need 1. So I've got ones. And also, we know that we can represent it using our numbers. So we can have 80 and we can have 1, because together, if we add them together, we get the number 81, as you can see from here. So, moving on then, I've got a calculation here. I could use the base 10 to help us to answer that. So I've got 20. So where am I going to use, the ones or the tens? Let's check. If I split my 2-digit number, I know that I need no 1. So I need 2 lots of 10. And I am going to then check what I'm adding. So don't forget to put my add sign in. And then I've got my add. So I've got 20 add 10, which we know is just 1 lot of our base 10. And now I can quickly count in my tens how many I've got. So I've got 10, 20, 30. Okay, so I've got the number 30, and I can represent that in my base 10. 2, I've got 1, 2, 3 lots of 10, which gives me 30. If you'd like to pause the video and have a go at question 2 yourself. So it's 60 add 10. Some of you may be able to do this in your head, but for now, I'd like you to be partitioning the numbers and how many lots you need, okay? So like I say, quickly pause the video and have a go yourself. Now, I've got some more questions here that some of you may want to have a go at before moving on and progressing that little bit further. So I've got some questions and you can use your base 10 drawings to help you with the 6 questions there. If you'd like to have a go, pause the video and answer the questions. Now, for everybody else, it pushes it that little bit further. There is now 3 lots I need to add up, so I know I can make my base 10 for my number. So how many lots am I going to need? I'm going to need 5 because I need to make the number 50. So I've got 30, 40 and 50. Remember, I need to put my add sign in. And then carry on. So I need a 10. So I just need one group of 10. And again, I can add my add sign. One group of 10 again. And then similar to what we just did, we can count our groups. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 lots of 10 is 70. And again, I can use my base 10 to represent this. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. If you'd like to pause the video and have a go at question 4, and it's pushing that a little bit further using maybe adding different multiples of 10. Now, we obviously have our presentation police in school, and it should be no different at home. So when you are completing this at home, I would like you to set it out the same. So remember, 2 squares for our base 10. So there is my first Deans. I will then add another Deans because I need 20. I then put my add sign. I will then one more Deans, another add sign, my other Deans, and then what that equals. And again, I can do this through 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lots of 10 is 40. So I'm going to 10, 20, 30, and 40, and I can add my number at the top. So that's how I want your guys' work to look. Now, you can have a go at the following there. So if you think that is what you would like to start with, you can start by setting it out as discussed here. Go answering them questions. Now, a little bit more difficult. I can see I've got groups of 10. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. Okay. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3 1s. So the number I'm going to write in here is going to be 53. And we can partition that by using our 50 and our 3. Okay, so we know that 50 add 3 equals 53. Okay, now this is for you guys to have a go at. Which do you think's the odd one out and why? So you can pause the video, you can have a quick go at which you think is the odd one out. Looking at the addition, looking at the groups of 10, looking at the whole part model and the Deans and the base 10, so you can have a go at that yourself. Now, some more questions there. The worksheets will be on the website under this flip, and the YouTube video where you can access these worksheets. You maybe want to print them off. You do not need to print them off. You can just draw this and write it on the plain piece of paper however you see best for home learning. And then once you've had a go at that, there's some extra challenges here that's going to push you further. So what different ways can you think of making the number 27 or 46? And then have a go at completing these number sentences. And finally, a little bit of our reasoning. So I can't wait to see your guys' work. Good luck. And if you have any questions, remember, you can just ask your parents to get in touch. Good luck, guys.